Hi guys, are you ready to decorate this ball with me? All you need is a plastic or glass ball, but if it's glass, ask for a trusted adult to help you. All you need is a bowl, some decorations to cover it with, a paintbrush, some glue, and like a fake light that turns on, just like that. That's all you need. So today you're gonna help me to decorate the first layer. All you need, so first you open the glue, you put a little dot on it, just like this. Then you take the paintbrush, you make it like turning around, so the glue could be anywhere. Just like that. Then you take one piece of the decorations, which you pick, then you stick it on, just like that. So I'm just gonna do the first layer in 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. I just finished the first layer. Does it look nice? Now we have to keep doing it till the end. So then we take the glue, we put a dot, then we take the paintbrush and just spread it. Or if it's not gluing, add more glue. Finished putting the glue now. So you take the decorations that you picked, then you put it and stick it just like that. I'm gonna do it all the way around in 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. So this is how it turned out. It's time to add the lamp. So we turn it on, then we put it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.